Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to solve some engineering problems, but instead of just solving it by hand and paper, I'll be using Python for this video. So let's go on with it. So we have our first problem here, which is to solve the surface area of the sphere of radius 20 meters and let the value of pi equal to 3.1416. So we all know the surface area of the spheres is just 4 times pi times r raised to 2. So keep that in mind. Next, let us put our variables in the Python. So we let pi, which is pi, equals to 3.1416. Next, we put the r, which is the radius, equal to 20. Next, we're going to put the formula for the sphere. So we put SA equal to 4 times pi times r. Instead of using this arrow up, we use double asterisk for this case. So r raised to 2. Next, we just print out the answer. So we can put the surface area of the sphere is, we put here inside the parentheses the comma, then we put the answer SA. So we press F5 and our answer here is 5026.55, 999.995. This is our answer for the first problem. Towards our next problem, which is to find the volume in cubic meters of an open top box having a dimensions of 200 by 300 by 50. So the formula here for the volume of the open top box is just height times width times length. So we just make a code. So we let L, which is the length, which is equal to 50. We have our width, which is equal to 300, and our height is just equal to 200. Sorry if it is reversed, but it's still the same. Next, we put the volume for the open top box, which is height times width times length. But it also states here that we have to convert this into cubic meters. So by this, we can just put cube C, we just let C as our cubic meter, equal to the answer for the volume V times 1, we can use times 10 raised to negative 6 because it will not run the system. Instead, we just use E, our exponent, to negative 6. Okay, so we just print out the answer. We can just say the volume of an open top box is, we just put in cubic meters. Let's make it box in cubic meter. Please insert this in parentheses. Insert parentheses, then put the comma and the answer in cubic meters, not the volume. So just C. Then press F5 and our answer here is 3 cubic meters. This will be our last problem for today. The problem here is a body is dropped from the building and reached the ground in 8 seconds. And what is the height of the building? And what is the velocity of the body as it hits the ground? So the formula for the height is just 1/2 gt squared, while the velocity is just gravity times time. So we put here the time, which is t is equal to 8. You can put the gravity, which is g, equal to 9.8. Then we put the formula for the height, which is 1/2 times gt squared. gt squared. Then we put the velocity, which is just gravity times time. Then after we have our formulas and our given values, we just print it out. Right. Then just print out another one. The velocity of the body. The body. We just put V. Let's see if this is right. So the answer for the height is 313.6, while the velocity is 78.4 meters per second. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.